Have you ever wondered if the journey from a tiny embryo to a newborn baby is the same for boys and girls? We often focus on the big reveal at the ultrasound, but the truth is, the differences start much, much earlier. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating, hidden world of fetal development to uncover the subtle yet significant ways boys and girls grow differently in the womb. It all begins with genetics, of course. An 20-chromosome pair typically sets the stage for a girl, while an XY pair signals a boy. But this is just the first chapter. Around 6 to 7 weeks into pregnancy, a gene on the Y chromosome, called the SRY gene, kicks into action. Think of it as a master switch. It triggers the development of testes, which then start producing testosterone. This single event sets off a cascade of changes that will differentiate a male fetus from a female one. Without this SRY gene, the fetus naturally continues on the path to developing female reproductive organs. This hormonal difference has a ripple effect throughout the entire body. For instance, did you know that male fetuses tend to be a bit more active in the womb? Some studies suggest that the surge of testosterone might contribute to this, leading to more kicks and wiggles that a mother might feel. Boys also tend to grow slightly faster and are often born a little heavier and longer than girls, on average. But it's not all about size and movement. The brain is another area where fascinating differences emerge. The hormonal environment in the womb influences brain structure and development. For example, some research indicates that the corpus callosum, the bundle of nerves connecting the left and right brain hemispheres, may develop differently. In female fetuses, this area might mature slightly earlier, potentially fostering better communication between the two sides of the brain from the get-go. Now, let's talk about milestones and maturity. It's a common observation that girls often seem to mature a bit faster than boys after birth, and this trend might actually start in the womb. Female fetuses tend to reach developmental milestones a little sooner. Their skeletal systems may mature earlier, and perhaps most importantly, their lungs often develop more quickly. This is a crucial factor, as lung maturity is vital for a baby's ability to breathe independently after birth. This developmental head start is one reason why premature baby girls sometimes have a slightly higher survival rate than premature boys. Even the placenta, the incredible organ that nourishes the baby, can show differences based on fetal sex. Placentas supporting male fetuses might function differently than those supporting female fetuses, sometimes being more vulnerable to stress or infection. Researchers are still exploring what this means, but it highlights how deeply the biological differences are woven into the entire pregnancy experience. It's truly incredible to think about how these subtle variations play out from the earliest moments of life. While a boy and a girl are developing side by side in different pregnancies, their paths are uniquely their own. These aren't just fun facts. Understanding these differences helps medical professionals provide better care and anticipate the unique needs of each baby. From hormonal surges to brain wiring and lung development, the battle of the sexes, or rather the dance of the sexes, begins long before we ever meet them. So, the next time you think about a developing baby, remember that their journey is not a one-size-fits-all process. It's a beautifully complex story with unique chapters written for boys and girls from the very beginning. Thanks so much for watching and exploring this amazing aspect of life with us. If you found this as fascinating as I do, please hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the wonders of science and the human body. See you in the next video.